Come.
Close, calm down.
Come.
Move out the way of her.
She might just take an exception and bite your bottom.
Stop it, Chloe.
She loves it.
Hello,
Now, come
Harry.
away. Come away and let us start again.
It's
See,
good.
she's growling. Move. Move. Move.
What's she growling? What's she growling?
Oh, what the hell is she doing?
Come on. Okay.
She doesn't like this iPod at all.
Stop.
Honey.
It's amazing how that
This is
safety
funny.
vote's come out and broke all that.
Woo. She's not going to do anything else, is she, Mum? No. Yes, she is. Look. Look, watch her. And what's she doing? Oh no, here we go again. It's a headbang.
You're amazing.
What the hell is she doing?
Oh, she's trying to scare me, is she?
You are nuts. Good enough?
Right, all shut up and stop making a noise now.